Hello guys, my name is Matthew and this is a second video that I'm going to create about DocuSign. The first one I had to stop after the long period of not receiving the confirmation email from DocuSign. So after like 10 minutes video, I decided to stop it and record a new one when I receive my verification code. And right after that, I completed login into my DocuSign e-signature account. It's basically very easy. You just wait for confirmation email. It's gonna take like 10 minutes. And right after that, you have to create your own password and then wait for a 6-digit code that you have to verify or copy paste. So by this, it's gonna take like 20 minutes extra of your time, but it will add this very nice extra security feeling to you that your documents are really safe. So we are here at our DocuSign account finally, and we can start now. Once we click on start now, you can add the documents. In here, let's upload from a desktop. And I believe I have this sample here. It's just from different sign software, and we're going to view it. It's just basic sample that I downloaded and we can get advantage of. So we added it. I'm the only signer, or we can go next. If you are the only signer, you can just click on this one and sign it. But if you are not and you have to wait for someone to sign it, we hit the next button and then add a recipient. We can go with Andy Schultz. Let's go like that. Email, let's go with this one. And that's it. He needs to sign it. And we hit the next. And here we are. We can prepare it. This is a very nice way how you can do it. You have your signature here, so signature will become on this part like this. Then we can go with initials. We can use them, we don't have to use them. It's completely up to you. If you like it, add it. If you don't like it, screw it. Then full name. We can go with a company as well. Now, the text that we can add, that people can add or write down the address. Then we can basically add anything you like, even like email. Also, you can go with a full name and also add a title. We know some of the titles are behind the name as well. And like this, you can build your your folder, how you want to do it. Then we have like some custom fields, but mostly we are not going to use it. And then hit the next. Email subject, enter message, email message, and many more. And we have the recipient here. We are sending it right now. You've sent your first envelope. And that's very nice. Let me just check. I'm gonna log in to my different account. Different email account. So you exactly know how it's gonna look when you send the email. First of all, they have to basically send it, and from my point of view, it's gonna take some time. But right now you see get started with the e-signature. 2 of 6 is completed. We can create the signature. Full name Matthew King and initials are MK. And those are all the options that we can use, or we can draw our own, like this, you know? This is actually very nice. I think I'm gonna keep it. And right now, initials. And we can create it. And we just created our signature. So the 3rd of the 6th, create a template, upload your photo, and brand your account. Those are all the things that I would leave for you and for your personal taste. And then this is our home button, waiting for others to sign. Let me check if it arrived on the other email, but it haven't yet. And can manage the signatures and also the templates. We can create one. And here you can upload it or hit the next button. Yeah, you can't, because you need to add the template that we used, and also reports, and then the settings. You can very well integrate eSign. For that you need APIs. At the moment we don't have any APIs created, but I would say we don't actually even have to, because the lock-in security is pretty nice. So we have apps and keys, and also connected integrations. Yet we don't have any, but we can easily create them by Zapier, or even you can okay, this is pretty much frozen, and we can use Zapier to create more and more integrations to make DocuSign the best on the market, which in my opinion it actually is. So in our home button, we are still waiting for documents to be signed out. But if you want to go here, not this one, we are going to add upload or use a template. We don't have any, so we have to upload it again. We are going to use the sample as we used, and I'm gonna be the only signer. We hit the sign button, and DocuSign will prepare everything for us just to sign it. Please review the documents below. Okay, continue. And here we can put our signature straight here and make it bigger, like this. And this is our signature. You can get rid of this if you just pay the subscription. I don't know what happened. Start now. Upload sample. We are going with the sample. I'm the only signer, sorry. And we are signing the document. Okay. And here we can just add the signature that we created a couple of moments ago. Date, which is automatically gonna use the days. Names. You can go even like first name, last name, email address. And like this, very easily you can build your own form. You can even go with a stamp, but at the moment I don't have any stamp uploaded, so I can't really do it. And then, once you hit finish, you can send it to whoever you like. If you have already added some people, you can do it as well. Or send it to the email address and they'll get the signed copy of the document. But I believe that's pretty much self-explanatory. So guys, I showed you how it actually works. If you have any questions for me to answer you, please let me know underneath this video and I'll try to answer as quickly as I can. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.